Hey, good people. Arthur Morris here. In this video, we have the rational equation solving for v of 4v squared over v squared minus 4 equals 3 over v minus 2 plus 5v over v plus 2. All right. So we can factor in that first denominator using the difference of two perfect squares. So let's rewrite this. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a little extra room for multiplying by the common factor. Maybe a little bit more than that. That's okay. So the excluded values. The only expressions that have v in them are v plus 2 and v minus 2. So I need to set each one of those equal to 0 and identify my excluded values. So subtract 2. So one of my excluded values is negative 2. The other excluded value, add 2 to both sides, is positive 2. Okay. Right, the least common multiple of my denominators is v plus 2 times v minus 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by v plus 2 times v minus 2. So that's why I left some space there. Okay, so let's simplify now. Let's clear these denominators out. So both of those cancel the first fraction. So that leaves me with 4v squared on the left-hand side of the equal sign. And then the v minus 2 cancels. That leaves me with 3 times v minus 2. V plus 2, sorry. And then the v plus 2 cancels out here. So that leaves me with 5 times v minus 2. All right. Once we've gotten rid of those denominators, let's clear the parentheses. So 3v plus 6 and this was 5v, sorry, I almost left that v off of there. That should be 5v from the original problem there. And then 5v squared minus 10v. All right, so let's combine the like terms on the right hand side. So I have the 3v and the negative 10v will give us negative 7v. Pull my 5v square out front and then plus 6. Okay, let's get everything on one side since we have v squared in our problem. So since everything else is already on the right hand side, let's just go ahead and subtract 4v squared from each side. So that's understood to be 1v squared minus 7v plus 6. Alrighty, now I want to factor that quadratic equation, find factors of 6 that add up to be negative 7. So negative 6 and negative 1 multiplies to be positive 6, adds up to be negative 7. And then take those factors, set them equal to 0, and solve. So add 6 to each side, so v equals 6, or add 1 to each side, v equals 1. And let's see, our excluded values were -2 and +2. So both of those answers are valid. So let's see here, we have v equals 6, v equals 1. Alrighty, good people, that's a wrap. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.